Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to review another HMT watch, and this is by far one of the most favorite color of mine. I am not a huge fan of sunburst dial, exceptions a few color, but I am really crazy about the matte texture because of its subtlety and cool colors. Not too attention grabbing, I mean whatever you can enjoy all by yourself. So today I am going to review this very special watch from the house of HMT, and this is the HMT Kohinoor dark blue matte shade dial. So before going to the review, I would like to clarify that it didn't come with this strap. It did come with this bracelet, the HMT Mark 2 piece adjustable steel bracelet. I simply changed the strap as per according to my own convenience, and I am using this because it matches the dial color. So let us go to the watch now. So before that, I will simply give it a gentle hand wind so that you may see this watch working. So you know how to wind an HMT watch. Give it 20 to 25 turns unless you can feel a slight resistance, and then leave it. So I will just do this, set it on 1010 so that it looks good. And now I am going to review the watch. The watch is from the standard rugged line of HMT Kohinoor. The case diameter is 36 mm. The lug width is 18 mm. It has a flat top acrylic crystal and a cushion type of case here. The case back here is your screw down type with HMT Parashock water resistance marking. The case back signifies 418002. I think this is from factory number 4, and the year of case back stamping is 2002. And rest I think the batch number, etc, etc. So you know how to decode the HMT case back. I will also soon make a decoding video of HMT case backs, but I think that for that I have to get some genuine watches that has proper traceability, because in the later period of time HMT did some mix and match with the case and the case backs. So first of all I will collect those watches and then I will make the review, so it may take some considerable amount of time. But now let's proceed with the video. So if you can see that the color of the dial is dark blue or royal blue or navy blue. I would say it is navy blue, it's not royal blue, but the texture is matte in texture. It's not sunburst burst or shiny or any kind of thing, right? So it looks really good here. It's not black because I think the video can't do the justice, or maybe it can. Now I think you can see the how the dial is blue colored. It really gives a retro vibe, the retro colors of 1970s and all. And the watch has been made really, carefully. It has been done. A really well made watch. I think that it is something you really should have in your collection. So let's go to the dial details. As you can see that HMT is a metal insert logo. Kohinoor Parashock and 17 jewels are printed here. The dial, as I have already said, it is matte dark blue in color. The indices at 12 o'clock is a split indice. I think it is center split indice. And then the other indices are metal inserts as well. These have been cut very well. I think these have been machined well, so it looks really good. As you can see, there are slight marks on the crystal, but this is an acrylic crystal, so I think marks are something that should be generally considered to be there. Then there are the second markers that are that looks really good here, and I think that the indices here are really well made, well printed. There are loom dots as well on the indices, so this is something really good. I think the loom dots are slightly farther from the indices in the current HMT releases, HMT Kohinoor releases. In the earlier models, these were like very close, very touching to the indices here, the index markers, the metal index markers. Because if you will see some of the old videos, I think you will find those right there. So overall, I think this watch is really well made. It has 0231 hand winding movement that has Parashock proprietary shock protection technology. I have also sported this with this genuine HMT bracelet, but I think this really goes well with the strap. So timing, I will use this bracelet in some other watches, but I think this goes well with the strap, and sometimes I think it also goes well with the shark mesh bracelet or rice bead bracelet. It looks really good. This bracelet is also well made, very comfortable, but it doesn't go with many other HMT watches. For some watches, this is really good, and I would really like to sport it with them. So this is the overall watch here. I think you should really consider buying this. I didn't buy this actually. I exchanged this for Janata, blue loomed-handed Janata that was launched around 2018 or 2019. So it has been a good trade. I think the guy who received the other watch in exchange is also very satisfied with that watch. So he simply offered it to me, and I couldn't resist it. So I think it is a good trade. Right. So I will simply go ahead and I will put the watch on my wrist. It will take some time. And I will simply put it on the wrist and show it to you. For an average wrist like me, I think this is something really worth having. Like, wear it on the go. No issues, nothing. A lightweight watch, a mechanical watch, something that an HMT watch collector should have in their collection. And this is how it is. So I will simply wear it because anyways the watch belongs to me, and I do not have to let it go or anything. So here it is. So thank you for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe, and follow my channel for more. Have a nice one.